Here and this is Ali, and this video is the part of uh, the usage values of against the SN90. So I see your comments on that, and there is a little bit of confusion here, and that this is the data which is actually in the pump DB against SN 090, and here you see that for 11. Okay, so here when we fetch the data from the pump side, we have the date timestamp for 11:12, 11:13, 11:14, and then 15 and 16s are missing. So when we subtract the 9 hours from each of the date, it goes for example, if we subtract the 9 hours from the 11:12, it becomes 11:11, and same case for 11:13. If we subtract the 9 hours from the date, it becomes 11:12, and for if we subtract the 9 hours from 11:14, it becomes 11:30. So there when we subtract the 9 hours from the 11:17, it becomes 11:16. So actually we have the data for SN90 on 11:13, 11:12, and 11:13, and then 11:14 and 15 are missing, and we get the transmission on 11:16. So there are 2 days missing. One is 11:14 and the other one is 11:15. I show you. So this is the data on the map site against SN90. So here you can see that we have data on 11:10, then 11:12, okay, then 11:13, and here you see that there after 11:13 we get the transmission on 11:16. Actually the 11:17 becomes 11:16 because we subtract 9 hours from it, and it becomes 11:16. So there are 2 days missing. One is 11:14 and the second one is 11:15. So on the chart I will show you. Here you can see that the 11:14 and 11:15 are the missing days, and 11:16, and on your Excel, actually I will explain you much clear. So here there first of all for data accuracy, that there are 2 days missing, okay, and on the chart, and there are also 2 days missing. Only the conflict is on the dates. So I will explain you why the 11:16 should not be gray. So here you can see that we have the data on 11:13, 11:14, and then 15 and 16 are missing, and then 11:17. But on the map side the case is different. When we get the data from the pump, we subtract 9 hours from from each date timestamp, and then use the subtracted date timestamp as our date timestamp on the map side. So when we subtract the 9 hours from 11:13, it becomes 11:12. When we subtract the 9 hours from 11:14, it becomes 11:13. So okay, actually I will just, okay, here, here. So okay, 11:12 and 11:13. Okay, so when we subtract the 9 hours, this is actually this is the date which is on the pump side. When we subtract the 9 hours from it, it becomes 11:12. When we subtract the 9 hours from 11:14, it becomes 11:13. And when we subtract the 9 hours from 11:17, it becomes 11:16 2017. So now the things are I think the things are clear that we have 2 days missing, which one is 11:14 and other one is 11:15. That is the same scenario on the map side in the chart, that 11:14 is missing and 11:15 is missing. Here you can see 11:14 and missing and 11:15 is missing. So actually this is the logic for subtracting for converting the all the usage date timestamp to Eastern date timestamp. We subtract 9 hours. That's why if we subtract the 9 hours from this date, it becomes 11:12. If we subtract the 9 hours from this date, it becomes 11:13. 11:14 and 15 are missing. Then we get the transmission is on 11:17. When we subtract 9 hours, it becomes 11:16. So that's why 11:16 is not should not be gray, it should be blue, and it is. So this is the way for subtracting the time 9 hours from the date timestamp and convert it to Eastern date timestamp and use in the chart building. So if you have any feedback, any question related to this, and I think if you have any confusion in that scenario, kindly update me. Thank you.